just like a burrito, we're gonna make a tree shape. And as we roll this up, we're gonna have a nice wide base, and it's gonna taper at the top to form a tree. We're gonna put the Christmas tree up right here on the plancha. And as we let that stand by itself, we're gonna go with a cheddar cheese base. Let's put a nice layer of cheddar cheese right down on the bottom here. And now we can take this, place it right on top. The cheese is gonna help that stick and seal all the goodness right inside. All right, our cheddar cheese crust has sealed everything inside. And now we can take our Christmas tree, transport it to our board here. And now it's time to decorate, give it that green that a Christmas tree needs. And we're gonna start to go around. We're gonna do dollops of our guacamole right around the outside here. And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start to swipe up here. Swipe up. Now we're gonna continue with dollops right in between the first layer that we did. And now we're gonna do another swipe on this layer. All right, we do our last little swipe for the boughs on the top of our Christmas tree. And now we're gonna give this Christmas tree a nice little point with our guacamole here. And now we're gonna hit it with sour cream to give it a snow-like effect right on top. Sour cream is cascading down our tree just like some fluffy snow would. And now we're gonna decorate our tree with some beautiful ornaments. I'm gonna hit it with some golden and red cherry tomatoes and alternate so we have a nice little mix. Now we're gonna hit it with some cotija cheese. This is like a Mexican Parmesan. This is gonna give it a nice little snow effect. And now let's cut a star out here. We're gonna do a cheddar cheese star to top it off. All right, and now we're just gonna plug these two stars together to give it a nice, unique shape. This is a Merry Tex-Mexis. Here we go. Beautiful burrito cone for the entire family to enjoy. Merry Christmas, ladies and gentlemen.